Hello YouTube family! Today we're making melt and pour heart-shaped soaps. If you're struggling with an idea for Valentine's Day, this one will be a great option. DIY presents give that personal touch and attention while also being on a low budget. And what's even better, these won't collect dust, because everybody washes their hands, right? We'll be using silicone molds in shape of hearts that you can find on Amazon. You can also use them to make candles. This is a great idea for a present kit. Trust me, deliciously smelling soap and candle made with your own hands will make your Valentine very happy. We'll need white shea butter soap base or any other white soap base such as goat's or coconut milk. White soap base will give us this nice pastel color, and shea butter in it will make your skin very moisturized and soft. If you want your soap to have a brighter color, you can use clear glycerin soap base instead. Soap colorant. We'll be using a red colorant to make this nice pink color, but you can take any color you want. Blue, green, just don't take the black one, otherwise you'll get gray soap in the end. Glitters to make our soaps shine.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Diamonds don't shine, they reflect.
Essential or fragrance oil. We'll be using lavender essential oil, but you can take any other you like. As always, prepare rubbing alcohol, heat-safe container, and a spatula. Let's make our soaps. If you have an entire soap block, cut it into small cubes. Then measure how much soap you'll need by putting cubes into the mold. Add 2-3 cubes more just in case. You'll see it's necessary. Put the soap base into the double boiler and melt, stirring it occasionally. You can also melt it in the microwave using 30 seconds intervals. Be careful not to overheat the soap, otherwise you'll likely ruin your soap base. In general, don't let your soap base boil, but you can also see the maximum temperature on the package. Once the white soap base is melted, add the fragrance. From 10 to 15 drops of fragrance per 1 pound of soap base should be enough. We'll make 4 different soaps so that you can pick the one you like best. Wait for the results. Spray a mold with rubbing alcohol and powder it with glitter. For the first soap, we'll pour a small portion of white soap base into the mold first. You'll see why in the end of this video, so keep watching. Move the mold around quickly so the soap covers the surface and turn upside down to remove excess soap. Quickly spritz it with alcohol to make sure there are no bubbles, and leave it to harden for a couple of minutes. Now add colorant to the rest of the soap base. The more colorant you add, the deeper shade you get. We'll make 3 soaps with different amount of colorant for a nice gradient. Stir it well to get an even color. Always remember to spray molds with rubbing alcohol and pour the soap base until the very top of each mold. Spray the surface with rubbing alcohol again to remove bubbles and leave to harden for around an hour. When you get to the darkest shade, pour the soap base into the first mold. Once the soaps are hard, remove them from the mold and pack them the way you like. This soap is the one we made with thin white layer. Looks very beautiful. You've just made a great present by yourself. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like and subscribe to inspire us for more melt and pour soap recipes.